Hello guys, this is the Lync.bet team. Here are our team members: Sai Aditya, Rakesh, Pranav, Shanmukh, and myself, Abhishek. We have created an AI-based prediction market. Every prediction market has the same unsolved problem: who resolves the outcome? Centralized oracles are a trust assumption. Manual resolution is slow and gameable. We solve this by building an AI resolution layer on top of Chainlink CRE, where a Gemini LLM running inside a Dawn TE determines the market outcome, signs it across nodes, and settles it on chain. No human in the loop.
Yeah, so
Rakesh
this is
will.
our interface. Yeah, so this is our interface where we have the dashboard, the homepage, which consists of all the markets created on our application, and users can go into each market and then place their bets on yes or no's or the different outcomes. And we have other sub pages, which is portfolio and create. So instead of the traditional betting or predictive markets in our app, we have the feature where user can create their own market, and this is how the process would look like, workflow. Pranav would go in detail about how things are happening and the backend from here onwards while creating the market, and then how these are handled, share prices, and the gamble settlements.
Yeah. So what happens is when the user comes and creates a market, we basically create a hash of the question. So using the hash of the question, what we do is we use it as a unique identifier, and then we create a shared token. The shared token is used to represent the user's bet in the market. So yeah, so basically a bet is a yes or no. So user has two options and he can buy any of the bet tokens. And this is, we are using a hedging model here. What it does is every time a user bets, the house bets against it. So it creates kind of a very subtle changes into the market, making the probability of a user winning exactly 51%. So it makes it really very fair game of having a user bet and a house or any other user bet against it. And coming into it, what happens after the bet is taken place is that the user, he just hits the which option he wants to, either yes or a no, and the bet goes through. We have gasless experience, so user just signs the transaction, and we have relay service that submits it on chain. Once the bet is confirmed, we wait until the resolution time, and at the time of resolution, the Chainlink CRE is going to be triggered by hitting our backend service, which is going to let them know that the time has expired. And at the time of expiry, the CRE will fetch the Gemini API, and it's going to get the actual resolution using the Dawn service. So we know that it is a fair aggregated data, and there's no chance of any foul play. And after the resolution has taken place, user can claim his reward if in case he won the bet, and if he loses the bet, then there's nothing he can do.
Yeah, Abhishek, can you just go through and explain how the CRE works in our workflow and what exactly happens with our Chainlink CRE in our app?
We can see
Go
here
through the
in the,
CRE.
yeah, we can see here in the workflow uh, log, wherein the CRE is calling the LLM for resolution, and here we can see the LLM output, which gives the confidence score, and based on which the resolution happens. Now this is signed by the Dawn, and it is sent on chain. This is a service that we have created around the workflow, wherein if the time for resolution is come for a market, it will trigger the CRE automatically, the CRE simulate automatically, and give us the resolution. Now Rakesh will show you what are the results for the market that we created. So here we can see it was in our favor, and we can redeem the uh, token that we have won.